This is a brief overview and demonstration of the Arrow RH-200 heavy-duty riveter. I bought this through Amazon in January of 2024 for just under $20. An assortment of rivets was also included in the price. This tool is compatible with aluminum rivets of 3/32, 1/8, 5/32, and 3/16 inch diameters, as well as steel rivets of 3/32, 1/8, and 5/32 inch diameters. It is not intended for use with rivets made of stainless steel. To accommodate the 4 different size rivets, the tool comes with 4 different size nose pieces. One is pre-installed on the nose itself, with the remaining 3 stored on the arm directly under the nose. To change the nose piece, use the included wrench, which is located on the inside portion of the front hand grip. I bought this unit primarily for use with aluminum downspouts, so for the first demonstration, I'll use the tool to rivet a couple of old scrap pieces. I'm going to use a 1/8 inch diameter aluminum rivet with a grip of 1/8 inch. The pilot hole is also 1/8 inch in diameter. I found that the tool consistently requires about 1.5 strokes to fully set the rivet. The manufacturer emphasizes the importance of fully reopening the handles and ensuring that the nose piece remains in contact with the rivet head before initiating additional strokes. The end result in this case, and for all the other rivets I've driven into downspout components so far, has been a good, secure connection. For the second demonstration, I decided to try riveting some heavier gauge steel, in this case 2 Simpson strong tie angles. This time I used a steel rivet that was 1/8 inch in diameter and had a 1/4 inch grip to accommodate the greater thickness of the pieces. This rivet definitely required a bit more force to set, but it was still manageable. Because I only put a single rivet in the center, the pieces could still rotate, but they were fastened together very securely. Now, I've only used this tool a few times and driven maybe 2 dozen rivets, but it's worked very well so far. The end result has been securely connected material that also has a more professional finished look. It's a relatively inexpensive tool that seems well suited for occasional DIY work. If you're interested, I've left a link to the product in the description section.